Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all well. So in today's episode of Let's Talk Creps, we're going to be talking about the Air Jordan 1 High OG Cement. So if you're new to the channel, please consider liking, commenting and subscribing. But every Saturday, and with that all being said, let's jump straight into this video. Okay, so just a little bit of history about the shoe before I get into it like I always do. Inside the box we have the Air Jordan 1 High Cement, Grey Cement OG, which released back in February 2023. It comes in this pretty cool box, which you can see with the elephant print, cracked cement print going around it throughout. Really cool box. Nice to see Nike do something a little bit different with their boxes instead of just pumping out the same over and over again. Size labels there, so this is a UK 11 and the colourway is tech grey, muslin black and white. And yeah, just going to say this off the bat as well, I've been wearing this pair for the last 2 months, so these are not box fresh by any means whatsoever, but I thought it'd be good to show you what the shoe looks like after wearing it for a while, because yeah, it didn't age particularly great if I'm honest. So the tissue paper in the box as well has the cracked cement elephant print, which is quite cool, and the shoes themselves are here. So let's take these out. You did also get a set of spare laces. So these would originally come with the black laces in them. I've swapped them out for the white. Personally, I think they just look a bit nicer. But yeah, so that's what came in the box. These retailed for £165, but you can pick them up on StockX for £115. I mean, this is a UK 10, and that's how much they're going for on there. So yeah, you're laughing really. But yeah, like I said, the shoe itself, I've been wearing these a lot. I actually wore these to the birth of my son. I'll pop a little video of me wearing them here as well. So as you can see, I have been wearing these a lot and they have got the markings to prove it as well. But so what you have is literally a leather constructed upper with these nubuck sort of levers for the elephant print itself, which wrap right around the shoe. Really nicely done. The print's a bit thick on it, but I quite like it. I mean, it's no secret on this channel that I'm a bit of an Air Max fanatic. That's what I collect really, and I don't have a lot of Jordans on the channel. But when I saw these with the elephant print and my favourite 90 being the Huff Quakes, I had to pick them up. But yeah, so you've got the sort of a more of a smoother leather on the toe box. These are absolutely creased to buggery because of, again, I've been wearing them, they will crease up. You've also got the black leather swoosh going around the sides, and then it's more like a sort of a synthetic leather on the collar. Nice padding, nice and plush, and then you've got this grey nylon tongue as well. Inside of the shoes, just black insoles. I can't remember if they actually have Nike print on there or not. I'll be honest, they've worn off. And bottom of the shoe, excuse how dirty they are, it was the same sort of grey, but it's your normal Jordan 1 outsole. The actual shoes themselves, there's not much differences between them. The prints will differ. It's elephant print, you sort of expect that with it now. But yeah, with that all being said, let's jump to some on foot. Okay, so that just about sums up today's video on this shoe. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please consider liking, commenting and subscribing. It's all free, it costs you nothing, and it helps you massively growing the channel. Also, comment down below if you've got any questions regarding this shoe or any other shoes I have or haven't covered on the channel. It's called Let's Talk Creps for a reason. Let's talk about them. But until next time, I'll see you all in the next video.